Hey, I'm out doing a home tour today in Medical Lake, out in the Four Lakes area. It's a quiet place, safe. It has all the necessities you need right here, but it's also only 10 minutes from Fairchild Air Force Base, 20 minutes from the International Airport, and then only a few minutes further to downtown Spokane. So everything you could possibly need, in-town living, but yeah, it's real quiet, real nice. That's what I love about the Medical Lake area. But let's go through and take a look at this home tour real quick. So when you walk in the front door, on the outside, you walk into the living room. This right here is a gas furnace. And then of course you have the baseboard heaters throughout the house. Gas furnace is a nice efficient way to keep the home up, and then the baseboards just give you a little extra. This goes outside. This could be like a dining room area. And then outside there's a dog run right there. And the kitchen. Have newer floors. The luxury plank. And we have laundry right here in the kitchen. Dated backsplashes. I like the butcher block they got here. Dishwasher, of course. I think I would stick right here like a desk or a work area maybe. Drop down, you do a lot of things in that little area, little nook. We have a little closet here, storage. And we have another one over here by the front door, probably a coat closet. Hang a left and go down the hallway. We've got the bathroom on the right, first bedroom on the left. Actually got a church right across the street here. Quiet neighbors. Closet. There's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Full tub. All tile, the floor and the bathtub and everything, it's all tile. Backsplash. This is probably the primary bedroom. This is the largest one. It doesn't look that big, but it's definitely big enough for a king-size bed. A closet. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Oh, we got a linen closet here as well. A nice big tree outside. I would tell you what kind it is, but I do not know. Nice shade tree. I'll take you outside. You better look out there. So right here, I mentioned this is the dog run. It's all fenced in. Weeds are gonna be trimmed up next week, I heard. And this area right here, this empty area next to it, actually belongs to the property. So you can do like RV parking, boat parking, extra off-street parking, or extend the yard, put a fence, whatever you want to do with it. Gonna walk around to the other side of the house. And I love how quiet it is here. That's like the only traffic you're gonna see. Quiet neighborhood. Go out and check out the front. Oh, nice. It's got a garage. I'll show you the garage. Yeah, let's look at the neighborhood. This is the church I was telling you about. Just kind of country living in a city setting. Got a new roof. I'm also going to take us over to, I want to show you a little bit of the city, so I'll take you over there too in just a minute. Here's the inside of the garage. Open it up. Not much to see here, but you have off-street parking. Store enough room to park a vehicle. Plus like lawnmower, other tools, things like that. It's got electric here. There's access from the back. Okay, I'll head over to the Medical Lake downtown area, I guess, and I'll give you a quick view of the lake and some of the shops down there. So here's the actual lake of Medical Lake. This is a public area that they're renovating. You can see the goose down there. Let's zoom in. And they're redoing the dock in the back. It's a nice place. Easy going. Got kayak rentals. Don't mind the construction. This is looking down, I believe it is Lake Street. You got the hardware store down there, a lot of different cafes. And there's a grocery store and other stores as well. It's just kind of a easygoing place.